In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access, review, and file your IAS or BAS in Xero. We're going to walk through the process in a clear and practical way so you can confidently prepare your activity statement and make sure the information is ready before you lodge it. This is especially useful if you're handling regular compliance tasks and want to avoid mistakes when reporting to the ATO. To get started, open Xero and go to the accounting menu. From there, select Activity Statement. This is where Xero organizes your IAS and BAS reporting, making it easier to manage the information you need for each reporting period. Once you're in this section, you'll be able to see the available statements and begin working on the one that applies to your business. Next, choose the correct IAS reporting period. Depending on your reporting obligations, this may be a monthly or quarterly period. It's important to select the right date range here, because everything that appears in the statement will be based on that reporting window. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct period before moving on, especially if you're managing multiple months or catching up on past filings. After that, review your PAYG withholding figures. This step is essential because it helps confirm that the employee tax amounts recorded in payroll match the totals being reported in your activity statement. As you check the numbers, compare the withholding amount shown in the statement with your payroll summaries or payroll reports in Xero. If the figures align, you can continue with more confidence. If they don't, it's a good idea to pause and investigate the discrepancy before filing. Even a small mismatch can create issues later, so accuracy matters here. Once you've confirmed the PAYG withholding details are correct, the final step is to complete the statement. Click Save as Final to lock in the figures. This tells Xero that the statement is ready and no further edits should be made unless you intentionally reopen and revise it. After saving it as final, you can lodge the statement directly with the ATO through Xero's portal. Filing this way helps streamline the process and keeps your records centralized in one place. Before you submit, it's always wise to do one last review of the reporting period and withholding totals. A quick final check can help prevent avoidable errors and give you peace of mind that your IAS or BAS has been prepared correctly. Once that's done, you're ready to lodge and move on with confidence.